welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we're not going to see about any tech videos or something. Today we are going to unbox a new tripod for our channel, and I bought this tripod for multiple purposes, and I do not want to disturb others and take video by myself. So this can be very useful to me and my brother too. And I'm not going to share the price range and everything about this tripod. I'm just going to show you how I'm unboxing this tripod and demonstrating about this tripod. So before getting started and unboxing the tripod, those who are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and comment and click on the bell icon. This is a new tripod for our channel. So they have mentioned parts in this box. So they have mentioned 120 millimeter, 350 millimeter, 345 millimeter, and the gram for this is 420 grams. Now let's unbox this. I have a knife and scissor right over here. So I'll unbox and show you. Now I open the top of this cardboard. So now let's remove it out. So let's keep this aside. So they have given in a black color bag. You could also see they have kept properly. So the first part is this. So I will keep everything in the table and show you. Now I've removed everything from the bag. So now let's fix these two parts. So to fix this part, right over here you could see a hole. So you have to fix it right over here. This part, right? Now I'll show you the parts of this tripod. Now let's get into the parts of this tripod. So the first part is this. This is called the control ball head. So the second part is this screw. So this is called the UNC 1x4 screw. Next part is this. This is called the control lifting. So the next part is this. This is the lock of the tripod leg. Next is this rubber. This rubber is called the let's get into this, how to use the tripod. I've been wondering, is this height of this tripod? No, every tripod has an extension. Now I'm going to teach you how to extend your tripod. So right over here you could see a lock. So now we have to unlock this. So there are totally 3 layers over here. So when you extend another layer, this tripod comes out. So let me extend and show you. So you have to lock it again. Next lock. Don't think that it's only this. We have one more height of this tripod still. So let me show you. So right over here you could see a screw. So you have to put it out. So extend this part over here. So now tighten. So guys, now let me show you the full part. So this is the full size of the tripod, guys. Now I'm going to teach you how to turn this tripod in multiple directions. So backwards, frontwards. So now let me teach you in sideways direction. So right here you could see a screw. And then left and right direction. These are the direction of this tripod, guys. So we have learned how to use a tripod. So guys, before ending up the video, let me tell you a few points about a tripod. So basically a tripod is a 3-legged frame or a stand used as a platform for supporting weight and maintaining stability of each other object. So if you take a photo using your mobile and tripod, it gives you a proper photo and a video. If you take using your hands, it won't give you a proper photo and video. So I'm suggesting you to take it in your tripod. It gives you proper photo and a video and good effect. So tripod moves in multiple direction, horizontal, vertical and etc. direction. So till this I'm going to end up my video, guys. So make sure like, share and subscribe to Technology Channel World. See you in the next video. Until then, bye from Vasiraj. Bye.